Alright, today we are going to go over finding complementary angles. So, basically, how angles work is if there is an angle, a large angle, okay, so I am just going to label these points so that I can show you the angles. So let's just say this is A, B, C, D. Okay? So, angle, this is angle ABC. Okay? And that is 90 degrees. And we know it's 90 degrees because it has this square here. Anytime you see a square here, it is 90 degrees. So this equals 90 degrees. Okay? Then they're telling us ABD or DBA, okay? Doesn't matter which way you put it as long as the B is in the middle. Angle ABD equals 30. Okay? So let's just put the degrees here. So now we're trying to find DBC. DBC. So this is the question. Okay, they're just calling it A. But, so if this ABC is 90 and ABD, this angle, is 30, then that means ABD, this angle, plus this angle has to equal ABC. So that means 30, right, which is ABD, plus blank has to equal ABC, which is 90. Or, to put it another way, 90 minus 30 equals, excuse me, sorry, 60. Right? So this is 60 degrees right here. Okay? Now, since I know that this is 60, okay, if I were to then make some angles in this 60, and let's just say this is, let's say this is 10, this is 20, okay, then what is this one? Now, if I know that this angle is 20 degrees, and this angle is 10 degrees, and this whole angle is 60 degrees, this has to be 30, because 20 plus 10 is 30, and then 30 plus blank equals 60, so this would have to be 60. And you could just keep drawing angles in here, right? No matter how many angles you draw, they all have to add up to 60, right? So let's just, right, this might be another 10, this might be another 10, this would have to be 10, okay? Because these all have to add up to 60. It doesn't matter how many angles there are. If they are inside this bigger angle, then all of the angles inside have to add up to 60. So basically, that's an overview of how complementary angles work. And now, when we're finding complementary angles, all we have to do, all of these angles, these big ones, are 90 degrees. So really, all we're doing is 90 minus whatever this angle is, and that'll give us the answer. So 90 minus 32 equals 58, right? Because 90 minus 30 is 60, minus 2 is 58, minus 42 would be 48, right? We're just doing 90 because these are all right angles, because we know they're the right angles because of this square here on the corner. And these two angles inside always have to add up to the larger angle. So 90 minus 56, what is that? 34. 90 minus 27, 63. Right, I hope I'm doing this math right. Minus 55 would be 35. Right? Because all I'm doing, I know that all these angles are 90, and then I'm just subtracting minus 55. Because if two angles are inside a larger angle, those angles have to add up to the larger angle. So that's what complementary angles means. It's a pretty simple concept as long as you understand how it works.